Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Harley and we are here with a mini vlog. So guys, I recorded this video because I wanted to create content for you guys, but I wasn't really talking much in this video because as you can see, I was doing a little washing with Mateo. Yeah, Mateo had some clothes that needed washing, so I said let me wash them out and vlog. But I didn't really talk in the video, so I am voicing it over to just illustrate and tell you guys what I was doing. So him did have a couple pieces of white clothes like Marina and a white shirt to wash out. So me wash them the first, of course. And I only use blue soap to wash his clothes. I don't use soap powder and I don't use fabric softener. I use plain blue soap and water. I rinse his clothes twice because I don't use any fabric softener, anything like that. Anything like that. So I rinse his clothes twice to get out most of the soap out of it. So right here, so in just a melt out my blue soap. So him dip it in the water, him take it up. Dip it, take it up. Dip it, take it up. Till one at a time in start first because the soap lasts in the water. But guys, we just here. Guys, I do have a machine. Just to get that out of the way, I have a washing machine. But because it wasn't a lot of clothes, I said, alright, then let me wash them out with my hand. And personally, I feel like the clothes wash better when you wash them with your hand. Because I not like to wash my clothes them and have to take them out and I spin them every minute just to get them clean. And you understand? So I like to wash with my hands. So I said, alright, then let me just wash them out with my hands. Right here, so my foot did tired. My foot was tired because it did up, and then you know that where your foot will get cramp up and stuff when it's in one position for too long. So right here, somebody I tell myself so my foot cramp up and I try to set it properly so it wouldn't feel uncomfortable. But we're just here washing out some clothes, guys. Yeah, me and my little rugrat. Yeah, right here I started rinsing. As me tell you, I rinsed twice. Mateo didn't want to step over the little puddle of water, so I had to lift him up and put him on the step. Yeah, as usual, him have in the water. Anywhere water there, Mateo find it, and best believe him I wet up the whole place, plus wet up in clothes, head, everything. But he's a baby. That's what babies do. Cause I should think every baby like water, cause my baby loves water. Love, 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 love water. Everywhere water, they him find it. I just try to watch him as careful as possible so he doesn't throw anything in the water or anything like that. But right here, so I just wash out him, close them, rinsing them properly, getting them clean to put out on the line. So yeah, please continue watching the video. Like, comment, share, and please don't forget subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Because guys, as I told you, I'm going to start posting every day. I could have one little cooking vlog. Me I post it and I'm gonna see it just to build my channel. So I have content. So when new people come in and subscribe, they have videos to watch and them now if you sit down and wait for me for post. But guys, we just there, so I rinse out the clothes them. Yeah, Mateo was telling me that he wants his tea. Yeah, because it was coming around to his sleep time. And guys, whenever it's his sleep time, him just always has to me say, Mommy, sleep, sleep. Yeah, see him there telling me that he wants to go inside. He wants to lay down and sleep. And if you know my baby stush. He have to lay down and cock up and put up foot and all of the things them and feel comfortable, then he will go to sleep. But right here, somebody I tell him, say, just give me a minute. Let me throw these out, then I'll bring you inside and put you down to sleep. And best believe, guys, he didn't sleep the same time. Him drink the bottle of tea and he came back outside. I had to bring him back inside because it was time for me to hang the clothes out. So I bring him back inside and let him watch cartoon. And yes, where I am standing, I can see him from where I'm standing. So I never left him by himself and just outside. Yeah, because you know, so them a baby, you have to watch them so they don't put anything in their mouths and all of that. But all in all, guys, I love spending time with my children. I love it, especially my little baby. Because as you know, my big son goes school, so him not around during the day part till in the evening. But I love spending time with my baby. I love getting to know my baby. It has been such an honor. I didn't stay home with my first son. I was young when I had him, so I had to go out and work. But daddy make sure I'm comfortable and alright, so I can stay home and look after Mateo. And don't think me just sit down and not do nothing. I play my part. I do my part as the one that stays home and take care of the home. So yeah, but I was just hanging out the clothes right here. Somebody that sing one song and I talk to the dog, cause the dog tie right to my right and to you guys left. So yeah, the dog tie right under the tree and me I talk to her. Her name is Special. She's pregnant, so we have to take care of her and I make sure she's alright. But guys, I was just hanging out my baby's clothes, holding a meditation. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Tell them to run over to H&F House of Love and subscribe. We have many more things in store for you, but for the most part right now, guys, you will be getting vlogs with me, mostly at home with Mateo, because I don't really leave him and gone away. It's just always me and him, and as me say, that is the one that works. So I play my part and stay home with the children and do what I have to do. Almost right here, so me almost finish. If you know me, guys, when me I wash, if you know me, when I'm washing, I separate the clothes, like me organize them, pants with pants, shirt with shirt, marina, white, black. Me organize them until I start hanging out. I might mix them up. See me, I tell her hi guys. But yeah, your girl is just doing her motherly duties as usual and trying to be consistent on my channel, even though I just started. So guys, even if it's a little 5-minute video on see me post, I'm asking you guys, please watch the video. May I beg you some watch hours and help your girl to get 1,000 subscribers, get to 1,000 subscribers. I am almost at 800, so 200 more, guys, and we'll clock that. Yeah, so go on, girl, little support. Yeah, and tell your friends to subscribe. Tell everybody to subscribe. Down to the cat in your yard, if him have a phone, tell him to subscribe. Yeah. Basically right here, so me finish. I don't remember what I did after I was finished, but me know say me did go lay down for a couple minutes, and then me and him did just continue with day. But this is just a little vloggy vlog showing you guys me doing my baby's little laundry, because I don't wash his clothes with mine's and Aguero's and daddy's clothes. I wash his clothes separate. So whenever I'm washing film clothes, them stay. We don't mix them up with ours. But yeah, this is the end of this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as I said, share the video, guys. Share the video and tell your friends to come over here, because we have a lot more in store. I want to start going out and vlogging, but for now, it's just home. And even if I go out and vlog, it's going to be me and the family. You might see me run 1 and 2 errands and I'm me alone in the vlog, but for the most part, it's going to be me and my family, mostly me and Mateo. You're gonna see Mateo in most of the vlogs them, because it's just me and him. But big up on yourself, guys. Thank you for the support I've been getting so far. I love it. Yeah, basically that's it. See you guys in the next video. I love you all. Bye.